Привет, товарищи! Welcome to Mr. Sky. Today we're gonna learn how to escape out of Cobra cuffs. Police issue, military issue, it don't matter. These are heavy duty things not to be messed with. And today I'm gonna show you how to get out of them.
Okay, давай сюда.
So pretty much, I'm laying down in a garage, pretty screwed right now. Have to get out of these Cobra cuffs. Too fat. Ah. Okay guys, time for a close-up. This is the part where you really want shoelaces. If you have sandals or slip-ons, you guys are royally screwed. But shoelaces are gonna save the day. Okay, go ahead and unravel. Get it just a little bit more loose. Okay, go ahead and thread. Okay, you're gonna want to put your shoelace between. Okay, once you get it to here, grab your shoelace and get a really nice angle.
Я думаю, изнутри попробуй.
Как смотри?
Да, вот так, да, теперь. Да.
Next snowdog. As you guys can see, one of my shoelaces just broke. But look, progress. We're making a little bit of progress. Next shoelace. Haha! Woo! At this point, my hands are free and I can escape. Alright, as you guys can see, that was very simple, very efficient. I will say, it will take a little bit of time and patience, and depends how in shape you are. But if you have shoelaces, you got this. As you guys can see, you might have a little bit of bruising, but the main thing is you're free. Check it out. As you guys can see, my shoelace did all of that. How crazy is that? Alright, what did you guys think? Go ahead and like the video, comment down below, and remember, this is for anti-kidnapping purposes only.